Hello, everyone. Good day. This is Jasmine Children's School at Saba YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Marian, and today we're going to play around these two words. All right, look at them. This one says am, and this one also says am. It means that both of them make the same sounds, like both of them are pronounced the same way, but then they are not the same. So we're going to talk about it today. All right, this one shows that the comma here shows that there is a contraction in this word. All right, there's a letter that is missing here, so this is a short form of writing I am. I am. All right, people always go am, maybe when they are very fast, when they want to be fast in whatever they are saying, so they just go am and they use this. Even if they are writing, they go this way. All right, because they do not want to waste time. And here this is am also, but this is a verb. All right, this is a verb here. So actually somebody can say I am a girl. All right, I am a girl. Okay, it is different from this one. This is a short form of I am. So we call it a contracted I am. All right, because of the contraction. All right, now let's talk some more. This am here, like I said, is a verb, and it's a singular verb. It's a singular to be verb. Okay, so it's wrong to use this as at the beginning of a sentence, like you say I'm going to the stream, or I'm a girl. And that's a mistake most of us make. So instead of saying instead of bringing in your I am going to the stream, you just go ahead to say I'm going to the stream. So you're throwing away the I. This is not right. Remember, this is a verb. It's a to be verb. Okay, so you go I am going to the stream. All right, remember, this is a contracted form of writing I am, and this is just the verb am. All right, so let's make one or two sentences using this one. All right, so you can say I am a girl. I am a girl. All right, and or you can even say I'm a girl, because the I is here, and then the inverted comma and the here. So you can say I am a girl instead of saying I'm a girl. I'm a girl. This is wrong. You don't start a sentence with a verb. Okay, all right, I hope you learned. If you find this video interesting, please click on the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. Remember to also come back for more. Thank you.